Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings from Shannon Rollings Real Estate with 3 tricks to help making moving a little bit easier. Nobody enjoys the packing and moving process, but I have 3 tricks to help make it a little bit easier. The first is, everybody loves snacks. Well, those Pringles cans, those can be extremely helpful for packing up loose items in your junk drawers like pens and pencils, paper clips, or they're even great for silverware. Another great tip is when you're packing up your dishes, nobody likes to go get all that newspaper and get the ink all over you or go buy packing paper. Go to the dollar store and get those foam plates that you use for picnics. Put one in between each of your plates, stick it in the box, and you're ready to roll. Another great tip on moving day. It's easy to get locked out of the house. Grab some rubber bands. One rubber band around the doorknob, twist it across the lock set and onto the back side will keep the door from getting locked on you while you're going in and out. Plus, those rubber bands are great to use on hangers to keep them together or on small boxes to keep them closed up in the move. I hope these tips have been helpful, and for other, visit my website at shannonr.com. And thanks for watching.